Hey everyone, welcome back to WA Reviews. Today we have a fresh unboxing and review of the Kumi KU7 Smartwatch. This is an affordable smartwatch with a lot of features packed in, so we're going to find out if it's really worth the price. Let's get started. Let's start by taking a look at the packaging. It's sleek and minimalistic, with a brand logo of the smartwatch on the front and some basic specs on the back. So, let's unbox this smartwatch and check what we have inside the box. Let's dive right in. Inside the box, we have the Kumi KU7 Smartwatch. A magnetic charging cable, and a user manual. No unnecessary extras, just what we need to get started. Here's the KU7. My first impression is that it has a modern and stylish look, with a rectangular AMOLED HD screen that's pretty popular in smartwatches these days. Let's talk about the design of the Kumi KU7. It has an aluminum alloy frame which makes it feel sturdy and lightweight. The silicone straps are soft and feel comfortable on the wrist, perfect for all-day wear. There's a single multifunction button on the side, making navigation straightforward. The KU7 features a 1.69-inch HD AMOLED display with vibrant colors and decent brightness, making it easy to view both indoors and outdoors. Now, let's power on the KU7 and pair it with our smartphone. It's compatible with both Android and iOS, so no worries there. To pair the watch, download the Kumi Life app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you're in, just follow the simple steps to connect, and you're all set. The app is also where you can track all your health stats, customize watch faces, and adjust settings. All right, let's dive into the features of the Kumi KU7. Swiping through the interface is smooth, and it's packed with options. You have heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, step counting, and even blood oxygen, SpO2, tracking. Heart rate monitoring is easy to access, and readings show up within seconds. The step counter and distance tracking are also quick to display, and they're accurate based on my initial testing. The KU7 also supports notifications. So if you're getting texts, calls, or social media alerts, they'll pop up right here. You won't be able to reply directly, but it's nice to stay updated without checking your phone constantly. There are also additional features like weather updates, music control, and even a breathing exercise option to help you relax. One of the strong points of the KU7 is its fitness tracking. It supports several workout modes: walking, running, cycling, yoga, and more. For example, if I start a running workout, it displays the duration, distance, calories burned, and heart rate all in one place. It's convenient and gives you real-time data throughout your session. Whether you're a casual walker or serious about your workouts, these features will definitely help you stay on top of your fitness goals. Next, let's talk about battery life. The Kumi KU7 promises about 5 to 7 days of usage on a full charge, depending on your usage. Charging is easy with the included magnetic cable. just snap it onto the back of the watch, and it takes about 2 hours to go from 0 to full. With moderate use, you'll probably only need to charge it once or twice a week. Now that we've gone over the main features, let's summarize with some pros and cons. The pros. First, it has a sleek and modern design that's comfortable to wear. Second, the display is sharp and easy to read, even outdoors. Third, the health and fitness tracking features are versatile. And finally, the battery life is solid for everyday use. The cons. On the downside, there are a few cons to keep in mind. The touchscreen can be slightly unresponsive at times, especially if you're using it while working out. Additionally, the notification system doesn't allow you to interact with notifications directly. So, is the Kumi KU7 smartwatch worth it? Overall, I'd say yes, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly smartwatch with a great balance of health tracking, fitness features, and style. It's not going to compete with high-end smartwatches, but for the price, it's a fantastic value. If you're interested in checking out the Kumi KU7, I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to WA Reviews for more tech unboxings and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, take care.